In this video, we'll be looking at the Joe's Motor Pool Carburetor WO model 539S, Willis Overland part A-1223, Ford GPW part 9510. It's for the U.S. government truck MB 4x4, and you see on the box here we've got a reproduction label, and down here you'll see the Joe's Motor Pool logo also as well that designates that this is not an original carburetor. However, it is made identically. Let's open this up and take a look inside. Open up the box, you'll see it's packaged very well in foam, and this is going to be something important that I just find fantastic about this particular product. We have a parts list here, exactly like the original carburetor that came with the original carburetors, and all the parts are highlighted in there. But the most important part of this is there's actually instructions on how to adjust the carburetor to your particular engine, and that's included. That's a big plus. Take away the foam packaging here, and you'll see the carb package very nicely. This is an added bonus. Inside this package is 2 reproduction carburetor tools for setting the metering rod and the float on the carburetor, as well as your brass gas fitting, a new piece for your throttle cable with a screw that's the correct standard slat hole, and then we've got the lock washers and the black anodized nuts, which are correct also. I'm not going to open that up, but you can see in the package here, these are exact reproductions with part numbers on them. Here comes the good part. And I'm wearing gloves in this because I don't want to get fingerprints on it. Somebody will own this particular unit. I just want to show you the quality of these in this video. Just holding it in my hand, I can tell that it's high quality metal. It's not garbage pot metal. That'd be your input for your brass fitting for your fuel line. You see all your little caps are brass. The newer ones have a different tag on them now, and they read 539S. As well as your linkage on the side here, you notice there's the Carter logo as it should be stamped in, and the part numbers. Take a look inside. Beautiful. And then the float bowl cover, you've got your numbers. And on the side, these are in every way the same as the originals, and the modern rebuild kits that are available will work on them, but you'll get years of service out of this before it has to be done. But that just needs to be noted that they can be rebuilt. I've been asked that quite a few times. You can just see the quality. Joe's Motor Pool has knocked it out of the park with this part, and they're the only company out there making them at the time. They've paid really close attention to detail and very high quality, and they are manufactured under license from the Carter Company. I have no qualm whatsoever recommending this to you. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more Team G503 product spotlights.